Welcome everyone, I am Alex, CEO of Sell to Rent. I am joined here by Marinda, Sell to Rent VP of Sales, and Danny, Sell to Rent founder. Today we're diving into what we are seeing unfold in the 2025 housing market, which is experiencing a significant increase in housing inventory. This shift presents both challenges and opportunities for real estate investors. Let's explore the key trends and strategies to navigate this evolving landscape.
Absolutely, Alex. According to recent data, as of December 2024, the available unsold inventory of homes on the market is nearly 27% greater than a year ago. This trend is expected to continue, with projections indicating a 15% increase in available homes by the end of 2025.
That's a substantial rise. However, this increase isn't uniform across the country. Certain regions, particularly in the Sunbelt states like Texas and Florida, are experiencing a substantial increase in available homes. For instance, Texas has seen a 20% rise in inventory compared to pre-pandemic levels, attributed to accelerated new home construction. Some states now have more homes on the market than at any time in the last 8-10 years. Conversely, regions like the Northeast and Midwest, including states like New Jersey and Pennsylvania, continue to face limited housing supply, maintaining stable or increasing home prices.
This uneven distribution means investors need to be strategic about where they invest. In areas with rising inventory, there may be more opportunities to purchase properties at favorable prices. However, it's crucial to assess the demand in these regions to ensure sustainable returns. In states with more inventory, investors need to look out for rent prices and market values more than ever.
That's a great point, Alex. Home builders are also adapting to these market shifts by adjusting their strategies. Despite challenges like high home prices and mortgage rates, builder stocks have shown resilience. Analysts suggest that current valuations may present buying opportunities, with builders focusing on long-term demand driven by millennials and Gen Z.
Another factor influencing the market is mortgage rates. Elevated rates, hovering around 7%, have tempered buyer enthusiasm, leading to longer listing durations and an accumulation of unsold properties. This trend is particularly evident in markets with increased inventory, where cities are witnessing declining prices and extended time on the market, signaling a shift toward a more buyer-friendly environment.
With mortgage rates expected to remain high throughout 2025, affordability becomes a critical issue for buyers. This scenario could lead to a more competitive rental market, as potential buyers may opt to rent instead. Investors should monitor these trends closely to identify opportunities in both the buying and rental markets.
On the other hand, some experts believe that persistent affordability issues and high mortgage rates may sustain strong rental markets despite rising inventory. This perspective suggests that the increased inventory might not lead to significant price drops, but could instead stabilize the market.
Let's discuss the debate surrounding rising inventory. One major topic is the potential for price corrections. In markets with an oversupply of listings, such as Texas and Florida, there's speculation that home prices may decline if interest rates remain unchanged. This situation offers opportunities for buyers, but poses challenges for sellers and investors holding properties in these regions.
Investors should also stay informed about regional trends, engage in ongoing debates, and critically assess their own goals in order to navigate this evolving market effectively.
Given these dynamics, how can investors effectively adapt to the changing market? Strategies may include diversifying portfolios, focusing on regions with favorable supply-demand balances, or investing in property improvements to enhance value.
It's also essential to monitor the trajectory of mortgage rates and their influence on both housing demand and inventory levels. Understanding the interplay between interest rates and buyer behavior is crucial for making informed investment decisions. In conclusion, the rising housing inventory in 2025 presents a multifaceted landscape for real estate investors. By staying informed and adapting strategies accordingly, investors can make strategic decisions that align with their investment goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights. Looking for juicy deals? Book a call with your trusted advisor at selltorent.com. Happy investing, and see you next time.